Hey, welcome to Keep On Growing. I'm Mike Van Duzy, and we're growing some microgreens. These are radish sprouts. They're great. They're spicy. We've got lots of microgreens coming, and we're going to talk about that later. But this video, really, I want you to go check out this other one. I'll have it linked down below. Pepe Fassos. If you guys have been around this channel for a while, you know that I learned a lot of stuff from him. And we actually had him and Marty's Garden. We had them on for an interview one time. Great guys, and I love watching them, and I've been following him for years, and he's got an Instagram called 560 Farms. I'll have that linked up too. Go check those out. I'll have some of it playing here for you so you can look at it. But Pepe, a couple of months ago, I think it was around February, they had a flood where he lives, and his farm was just totaled, and it was a really tragic thing. He told me that his whole family had to go up onto the roof of a two-story building. They were sitting on the roof waiting to be rescued, and when they finally came by, they took his wife and girls, and he had to wait with his son for another 24 hours before they even came back for him. And when they came back, the farm was just totaled. And if you go and look at it, I remember following Pepe when he first started out, and he was doing microgreens, and he was just growing them on a little sunroom with some of the wire racks like we have, and fluorescent lights, and it was very cool. And we got to watch him evolve and actually grow this farm. It was a fantastic thing to watch. He started selling at the local market. He started selling at some grocery stores, and some chefs started wanting his product. Then he became like really in demand, and his business just blew up. And through a lot of hard work and jumping through hoops for regulations and all kinds of stuff, he had a really established farm going, and he actually won some local awards in that. So it's really cool, and it's been an honor just kind of knowing him and just watching this unfold over the past couple of years. And it's really tragic, you know, that you think that all of the stuff and all this work that you can put into something, and overnight it can be gone. His wife had a hair salon too, and that was totaled. It was on their property, so they're having to rebuild everything. So if you go check that out, go check out. He just posted a little video. He's going to let you know what's going on, and check out his Instagram. Like I said, I've got some of the pictures here, but go back there and look through all of his photos. Go back to the beginning and check out all his photos and see how he's evolved, because he's starting over. And I think he said that the business, it's going to be quadrupled. The farm's going to be 4 times the size it was before. That when they started getting busy just before the flood, they were having a hard time keeping up with the demand, which is fantastic. And he says it's going to be bigger than before, so it's going to be awesome just to watch something like this that can grow into a thriving business, and watch him rebuild it again and be even bigger and better than before. So go check that out, and I'll go ahead and post some more videos later. But really, I just want you guys to go give Pepe some love and support, and we'll catch you guys later. Live to inspire, keep on growing, be the change.
Ba, 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 da, ba, ba.